Up for sale today, I got a 69 Camaro Super Sport, real X66 big block car, 396. It was actually a factory L78 car, so the 396, 375 horsepower. It's got its BV code 410 12 bolt. The single fuel line. It's got good newer paint. I would say like a nice driver quality. There's like a little bit of, I'm gonna say a little bit of fading here. It's newer, it's good. It shows well. It's an original burgundy car, which was, from when I looked up, 2.3% of all Camaros made in 69, so I know making it one of the rarer colors. You know, I got a couple of raindrops coming down. A little bit of fading there. I think it just needs a really good coat of wax. Oh, I dropped my pad of paint. 4-speed. It's got a 69 to 72 dated 396 in it right now. And yeah, brand new interior. Not brand new, but newer interior. This shows very nice. I believe if I looked at it right and remember correctly, it was a burgundy black car, so it's got its factory correct interior in it. I believe the speedometer does not work. It's got its BV code 12 bolt rear. I think I said that already. Original big block cross member and heater box. The cocoa caps that I love. It'll be for sale soon. It's got power front disc brakes. Took a touch up there, a couple touch ups. Like I said, it's a nice driver. Good newer paint, it looks good. They only made 4,800 of the 375 horsepower cars, and this is one of them, of course. So it'll be priced right, for sale later today, nextgenclassiccars.com, or on eBay as well, both links in the description. Like I said, factory L78 car, 396. It's now got a 69 to 72 dated 396, 4-speed, black on black, factory burgundy car, good paint. Pointed out some of the flaws. Trying to see if I find anything else real quick that jumps out at me. No? Yeah, there you go, just quickly walking back around it. I will do the driving video now. Thank you.
The thing about this 69 Camaro, which is very important, is that it's a real SS 396 car. The cowl tag is an X66. Came from the factory, burgundy. Now it's finished in a newer repaint of black. There was less than 5,000 of these cars built. It's got the factory 4-speed, close ratio, 410 rear end, and it's coded BV code. So it's not a clone. It's the real deal. Runs and drives nice. It has power brakes. Yep, power brakes. Real nice, clean undercarriage. Very straight and all steel body. Glass and chrome is all good. You see a lot of cars that are saying SS and they're not, but they're okay. But this is the real one. Got a nice new interior, bucket seats, very strong engine. We're going to be priced very realistic on it. We bought it right, and we're going to pass the savings along to our customers. Well, thank you for looking. We'll talk to you when we get our next car.